Setting up a holiday light show with Light-O-Rama and got an LMS file. This is a musical sequence file that synchronizes lights to music. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Light-O-Rama musical sequence files. We're tackling this LMS file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. LMS files are musical sequence files used by Light-O-Rama software for synchronized holiday lighting displays. They contain timing data channel mappings and effect commands that coordinate light controllers with music, creating spectacular animated light shows for Christmas, Halloween, and other holiday displays. LMS files use a proprietary format specific to Light-O-Rama, storing sequence data as time-aligned channel events with effect parameters, intensity values, and audio synchronization markers. The structure preserves complete show programming for accurate reproduction across Light-O-Rama controller hardware. The core professional tool for handling the LMS format is Light-O-Rama from Light-O-Rama. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safety compression. Windows can preview audio content easily, but full production work requires dedicated audio tools. To solve the application association issue, right-click your LMS file and choose Open With. Check for Light-O-Rama and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. The right program is out there. If you are still having trouble opening the LMS file, do not worry. Your system failed to open the LMS file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening in Light-O-Rama. Launch Light-O-Rama Sequence Editor and use File then Open to load the LMS file. The application displays the complete light show timeline with all channels, effects, and music synchronization intact, ready for editing, playback, or upload to Light-O-Rama hardware controllers. Next, playing the show. Connect Light-O-Rama controllers and use the Show Player application to run LMS sequences. Configure controller addresses, load the sequence, and start playback. The system synchronizes lights to the embedded audio, creating the programmed visual show for holiday display purposes. Finally, sharing sequences. Share LMS files through the Light-O-Rama community forums and sequence marketplaces. Many holiday display enthusiasts share or sell pre-made sequences for popular songs. Imported sequences may need channel remapping to match your specific Light-O-Rama controller and lighting hardware configuration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.